What's up, guys? So we're here in India and we're going to the craziest electronics market in the whole city of Delhi. We're going to the Gaffar Market, the Gaffar Market. This should be fun. A little chaotic, but should. So join me as we check out the wild streets of Delhi and the awesome business and chaos. So I've been wanting to check this place out and maybe pick up a pair of AirPods. But, oh, like luxury eyewear. Let's check these out. So it's the main street and then a bunch of off streets. You can get your watches fixed, your iPhones fixed. Oh, you got jeans. Dude, they've got Brooks. Get you a massive TV. That's like a 70. It's got on its back lean. This is supposed to be the craziest market here in Delhi when it comes to electronics and shoes, actually. Let's go this way. So it's all like watches and jewelry. See, they even give the dogs mats, which is what I think is cool. Oh, perfume store. Dude, they even had a PlayStation store back there, which was really cool. You can buy like a whole store, like a whole like PlayStation, games, storage cases, travel cases. It's crazy. See, they've got these like PlayStation stores everywhere, and they look legit. You can get a whole system, games, the travel stuff. They've got soccer jerseys here. They don't have Indian cricket jersey, which is kind of a bummer. Shoes. So, I've already been warned like 3 times about filming in the market, but we got some cool glasses. We made a good deal. They wanted $2,500. I gave them $2,000, and I stuck to my deal. Oh, that's what I needed right there. So we got lucky, guys. Not only do we get the India glasses, we got the matching cricket jersey. So we got the whole fit today, which was the 2 main things I was looking for at this market, and we accomplished it. Guys, these markets are just absolutely bustling. So much commerce going on. People just hustling, making a living. So I just met a really nice guy, Ramzi Hamad, on the first day of Ramadan. So that was cool for him. But dude, this food smells really good. I just don't know what I want yet. Like, so much good food. Ooh, samosa. But yeah, I was super excited. I've been wanting one of these jerseys all week long. Finally found it. What do you guys think of the fit? Really nice. So one thing I realized about that market so far, we're gonna go in the other way. They must have really good fakes in there, or they must have heat from the police, because a lot of these guys said no camera, no filming. No, I don't put it in their face or anything, but like, they don't want anything in the market. So I'm guessing it's because they have good stuff. So you guys know me, I don't put people on blast, especially if they don't want to be in the video. We don't do that. But we're still gonna make the video. We're still gonna shoot in there. We're just not gonna upset anybody, you know? We're gonna go back in the other side. Dude, this traffic is chaotic. And so many people go the wrong way, just like in Vietnam, which is kind of crazy. People just kind of make their own way. I don't think I can go that way. Yeah, traffic is some of the worst in the world here in Delhi. You know, there's something kind of peaceful in the chaos. I know that's totally contradictory, but it's the same thing like in Bangladesh, where the chaos is what kind of gives this place charm. The chaos, the fast-paced business life, people just hustling, working hard. That's why I love countries like India, Bangladesh, China, fast-paced, hustling communities. All right, guys, check this out. This is the Ganesh restaurant. This is actually the name of one of my buddies back in San Antonio. So shout out to you, Ganesh. I guess you have a restaurant here. You guys know I'm joking. There's probably like a million Ganeshes, but shout out to you, man. Fun times here in India. The food here smells so good. Like, I know you guys don't, you're kind of scared of the street food, but here, Indian food is absolutely delicious and worth the risk. All right, guys, so the food smelled so good from the street that I had to come in here and try it. So we're gonna have a nice meal, get some good chicken. We're getting the Afghani chicken and a Coke. So hopefully it's really good, it smells good, so we're gonna find out.
Yeah, this
Butter naan?
Yeah, this Afghani chicken.
Ooh, that looks good. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, dude, if you guys could smell this, it smells absolutely delicious. So let's dig in. Let's give this a shot. Ooh, hot. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. All right, guys, we're gonna try this Afghani chicken. It smells really good. I bet you it tastes just as good. All right. That's really fire, guys. Check it out. It's really good. Some butter naan. Then we even have our onions, our mint chutney. It's so good. Very, very good. Here's what's crazy, guys. So this is like a half a chicken, right? 360 Indian rupee, which is about $4. So you can't beat that. Like, delicious flavor, made to order, good portion, and like about $4 plus some naan. Got our mint chutney. I mean, how can you not like that? Affordable, good portion, and delicious. This is India, guys. All right, guys, so he took such good care of me today. Took care of the food so well. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank you. Have a good day. Guys, that chicken was fire. So good. And that way you guys can come check it out. Come share some money with them. Eat some of their food. Thank you. Dude, that food was bomb. So good. All right, let's go walk around a little bit more. Yeah, he took good care of me, guys. We need to find... We go that way. All right, guys, so our time here at this market is done. It's actually not as big as I thought it would be, but it does have a lot of off streets. Really fun. We had a good meal. We got the nice fit. We met some nice people. So a little difficult because a lot of the guys don't want their shops on camera for obvious reasons. But, you know, still a good time. Definitely if you want clothes, shoes, electronics, gadgets, gifts, it's a good place to come. And there's some delicious food. So definitely check out the Gaffar Market here in Karlbag. And we are out. And don't forget to do that one thing, the free thing. Like, share, subscribe. Because we're here in India. We're going to make some more videos for you guys. We're going to have fun. So make sure you guys are watching.